Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Okay, let us come to the point. In this class, we will discuss the exercise part of the fourth lesson from the fourth standard. The name of the lesson, Animals Living and Surviving. Okay, start from the warm-up activity. The activity is tick the odd one in each group. Also state the reason. First one, lizard, fish, frog there. Which one is odd one out? That is lizard. Why? Because both fish and frog can live in water, but a lizard cannot. Okay, write the name of the reptile. That is lizard. Lizard, lizard. The second one, crab, bear, and bat. Okay, in these pictures, which one is the odd one out? Crab. Why? Because both bear and bats are mammals and give birth to their young ones, whereas crab lays eggs. Okay, write the odd one out in the second. That is crab. Next, checkpoint. Which of the following is a desert animal? Okay, checkpoint. Choose the correct option. The first one. Which of the following is a desert animal? Yes, which one? Spider monkey, deer, kangaroo rat, walrus. The answer is kangaroo rat. Second one. The surroundings in which an animal lives is called its room, habitat, cave, hut. Answer is habitat. Third one, which of the following features is absent in animals living in polar regions? Thick fur, hump, blubber, all of these. Which one? That is hump. Next, move to the exercise part. A. Choose the correct answers. Which of the following is an aquatic animal? That is sea turtle. Second one, a dash can live both on land and in water. That is frog. Third one, which of the following is a parasite? Tapeworm. Fourth one, the movement of animals from one place to another for feeding or breeding is called migration. Fifth one, polar animals have a thick layer of fat called dash under their skin to keep their body warm. That is blubber. The B question, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Siberian crane, scavengers, fur, locomotion, human being. So we have to write the correct one in the given blank. First one, yak have developed thick, coarse and wavy coats of fur that protect them from the cold. What is the answer there? Fur. Second one, tapeworm lives in the body of a host. That is human being. Third one, jackals are called scavengers. Fourth one, the dash is a migratory bird, that is Siberian crane. Fifth one, fish use fins for dash in water, that is locomotion. For locomotion, fish use fins for locomotion in water. The answer is locomotion. Okay, C1. List the ways by which these animals protect themselves from danger. First one, deer and kangaroos. First one, deer and kangaroos. They run very fast to escape from their enemies. Second one, rhinoceroses and buffaloes. They have horns for their defense. Third one, tortoises and snails have a hard shell on their bodies. When sensed with any danger, they go into the shell. Fourth one, zebras, tigers and leopards. They have stripes or spots on their bodies which help them to look similar or merge with their immediate surroundings. Fifth one, porcupines. They have sharp spines on their body that keeps the predators away. Sixth one, puffer fish. It inflates its body with air, exposing the long, sharp, toxic spikes. Okay, next question. The D1, circle the odd one out. First one, tiger, vulture, wolf, hyena. Yes, which one is the odd one out? That is vulture. Why? Because it is a carnivorous bird, whereas all other are carnivorous animals. Second one, bedbugs, leeches, tapeworms, lobsters. Which one is the odd one out there? That is lobsters. Why? Because they are aquatic animals, whereas all others are parasites. Third one, cow, goat, sheep, crow. The crow is the odd one out, so circle it. Why? Because it is an omnivorous, whereas all others are herbivorous animals. Next, E part, answer the following questions. Short answer questions. First one, what are terrestrial animals? Give two examples. Answer, animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. For example, cows, horse. Second question, name two animals that live in desert. How are they adapted to their surroundings? Answer, animals that live in a desert are camel and kangaroo rat. Yes, how they adapted to their surroundings? To survive in their surroundings, they need to conserve water in their bodies, survive without food and water for many days, protect themselves from heat and cold. Third one, name two aquatic animals that breathe with the help of their lungs. Answer, whales and dolphins. These two are the aquatic animals that breathe with the help of their lungs. Fourth one question, differentiate between parasites and scavengers. Yes, what is the fourth one? The differentiate between parasites and scavengers. Answer, parasites, scavengers. For parasites, some living organisms that live in or on other livings. Once again, some living organisms that live in or on other living organisms for food are called parasites. Yes, what about the scavengers? Animals that feed mostly on dead animals and plants are called scavengers. The second point, for the parasites, they have adaptive features such as suckers or sucking tubes to suck blood from their host. The second point, for the scavengers, they have adaptive features such as powerful jaws and sharp teeth to tear and eat flesh of dead animals. Example for the parasites, ticks, fleas and leeches. Example for scavengers, hyenas, wolves, jackals. Fifth one question, differentiate between hibernation and estivation. Answer, hibernation, estivation. Okay, in the hibernation box, some animals cannot survive in the cold winter months, so when winter arrives, they sleep in caves or underground holes. This is known as hibernation. Yes, what about the estivation? Some animals cannot survive in drought and heat conditions, so they go to sleep for a long time in the summer months. This is known as estivation. For example, for the hibernation, frogs and snakes. Next, example for the estivation, crocodiles and lungfish. Okay, sixth one question is, how do tortoises and snails protect themselves from danger? Tortoises and snails have a hard shell on their bodies. When sensed with any danger, they do into the shell. Is what is the answer? Tortoises and snails have a hard shell on their bodies. When sensed with any danger, they go into the shell. Okay, this is the short answer questions. The exercise is completed.